Hello everyone, welcome back to Delta Wise. I am Abhijit and today I am going to teach you a simple breakout strategy for intraday trading which has an accuracy ratio of 60 to 70%. It offers a very good risk reward ratio. So even a 50% accuracy ratio will make you loads of money. So without wasting much time, let's learn. So here are the rules of the strategy. The time frame we are going to use is of 5 minutes. The first rule is mark the first 5-minute candles high and low. Second rule is market should spend minimum 1 hour inside the first candles high and low. This second point is very important guys, because we are not simply taking the trade on the basis of breakout of first 5-minute candle. I have made a rule that the stock or the index should at least spend 1 hour inside the first candles high and low, and it can be 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, anything, but not less than 1 hour. Okay. Third point is wait for the breakout or breakdown and take the trade in that direction. Fourth is place stop loss at latest swing high or latest swing low. So let's understand with an example. This is Nifty 5-minute chart, and I have found a very good indicator which automatically marks the first candles high and low for you. It is free in TradingView. You can just search 5MZ in TradingView. I will also share the link in the description. So what does the rule says? It says that you have to wait for the first 5-minute candle. Okay, then mark its high and low. And the second rule is market should spend at least 1 hour inside this high and low range. So as soon as the market breaks high or low of this first 5-minute candle without spending 1 hour inside this range, this strategy is not applicable on that day. So here you can say Nifty broke the high of the first 5-minute candle immediately at 9:20. So we are not going to apply this strategy for this particular day. Okay, same here. Here also Nifty gave a good breakout, but it was before 1 hour. Okay, so we're going to skip that day. As you can see here, this is 18th July chart guys. The first 5 minutes candle range was very good and it spent almost 2 hours inside this range, and at last it gave a breakout of the high at 10:55, and as soon as it gives the breakout, you're going to buy at the very next candle. Okay, and what will be your stop loss? It will be the latest swing high or low. So according to this market structure, our stop loss will be below this zone. Okay, because it is a latest swing low for this moment. So you are going to buy at the 11 o'clock candle. Your stop loss will be here, and you can exit at 1:2, or simply you can hold your position till the end of the day. And as you can see here, the market gave a breakout here, and this high of the first 5-minute candle acted as a support here, right? It took the support of the high twice on this particular day, and look at the rally. Let me show you another example. As you can see here, market was consolidating between the first 5-minute high and low till it gave a breakout at 10:20. So market has already spent 1 hour inside this range, and around 10:20 it gave you a breakdown. Okay, so as soon as it gave you a breakdown, you are going to sell here, right, at the very next candle with your stop loss above this, right? It will be your swing high. So your stop loss will be above the first 5-minute candles high, because it will act as a swing resistance for this market structure. And you can see the drop after the breakdown, right? And it again came for a retracement here. So you can also sell here, or you can add additional quantity at the retracement, and you can exit at 1:2, or you can simply hold your position till end of the day. You can exit at 3 o'clock or 3:15. So I will tell you what I do for this strategy. I simply sell half of the quantity at 1:2, and I trail half of my quantity till end of the day to maximize my profits. Because there is this golden rule of the trading which says cut your losses short and let your profits run. So I am simply allowing my profits to run here. As you can see here, market spent almost half of its day within this range before giving a breakout at 1 o'clock, right? So as soon as it gave you a breakout, you are supposed to buy at the next candle right? Your stop loss will be below this candle. I know the stop loss is very big, but it is worth taking the risk because this strategy's accuracy is pretty high, and it did offer you a 1:2 risk reward. It was worth taking the risk. And let me tell you a failed example as well, so that you will not get misguided, because I have already told you that this strategy has an accuracy ratio of 60 to 70%. So it means it is not gonna work each and every time. So if you are taking 10 trades in a month, 3 to 4 trades will hit your stop loss, okay, but your loss will be recovered by the remaining 6 to 7 trades, and you will be net profitable. And that is what trading is all about. Whenever you lose small. Whenever you win big. Yes, here is a failed example. As you can see here, market spent more than 1 hour inside this range, and it gave you a breakdown at 10:45. So you will go short at the next candle at 10:50 candle, right? Your stop loss will be latest swing high, which is this. So your stop loss will be above this zone, right? And market did not offer you 1:2 risk reward, rather it reversed and hit your stop loss, right? So you are supposed to exit here, right? But the stop loss was also less because you entered your short position here, right? And your stop loss was this much. So it is not much of a risk. You can always recover these losses in your next trades. Even here guys, market was consolidating between this range since morning. It gave you a super breakdown at 11:50. It even gave you a retracement here, right? So you will go short here with your stop loss above this swing high. Market eventually hit your stop loss. And do understand guys that this strategy will not give you much trades. It will only give you 6 to 7 trades in a month, but they are worth taking because it offers a very good risk reward, as it's a breakout strategy. Breakout strategies always give you better rewards. So this is another example. Market was consolidating between this range. It gave you a breakdown at 10:15. So you will go short here. Your stop loss will be above this swing high, right? So you have gone short at 10:20 candle. It again offer you retracement. As I said earlier, that if a support is broken, it will act as a resistance, and if a resistance is broken, it will act as a support, right? So you can add additional quantities at this retracement, and after that look at the drop. So I would say it is wise to hold your positions till end of the day, because if the breakout or breakdown is genuine, it will give you more than 1:2. It will even give you 1:4, 1:5 kind of trades. So even one trade of 1:5 is enough to recover all your previous losses and make you net profitable. So you must be having questions that how you should enhance the accuracy of the strategy. Here are some additional tips which will help you to enhance accuracy of the strategy. So first is pay attention to overall market trend and trade only in that direction, right? So if you analyze on daily or hourly chart and you notice that the overall market trend is bullish, so you can make a rule that I will only take the breakout trades. I will skip the breakdown trades because the overall market trend is bullish and I want to go with the trend. Because if the overall market trend is bullish now, so the chances of market going down is already less, right? So you can make this simple rule of going with the trend. If you don't know how to find overall market trend, I will soon make a video about it. Stay tuned. Second is, if you are trading against the market trend, then always wait for a retracement, okay? For example, the overall market trend is bearish since 1 month and you want to take a breakout trade, right? Breakout trend means market has broken high of the first 5-minute candle, so you know that overall market trend is bearish and the chances of market going up is very less, but you still want to take that trade. You should always trade on the retracement or the retest. The third point is, if the first 5-minute candle is very big, then try to trade the breakout failure. Okay, so what does it mean? Let me show you with an example. Suppose this is first 5-minute candles high and this is low, right? So you notice that the first 5-minute candle is very big as compared to its previous days. So chances of breakout or breakdown is very less in this kind of scenario. Why? Because the range is too big, so the market has already given you a big move, so the chances of market breaking up and going like this is very less, right? So instead try to trade the breakout failure. So what does it mean? It means that the range is like this, right? The range is like this, and you encounter that market has broken high of the first 5-minute candle, then either wait for a retracement, right, or wait for a breakout failure. So most of the time it tends to return inside this zone. It means it can give you a breakout failure and you can go short here. So it is also known as a counter trend. So you can also go short here only if the first 5-minute candle range is very big. Let me show you an example of this trade. Here is an example, guys. As you can see here, the first 5-minute candle is very big. It has already moved 0.63%, which is close to 100 points. So 100 points for a 5-minute candle is very big thing, right? Market has given you a breakdown here, but as I said, don't take the breakdown wala trades in this kind of scenario. Rather wait for a breakout failure, and market gave you a breakdown failure on this day. So market gave you a breakdown, you are not supposed to trade here. Wait for a breakdown failure, and at 10:40 Nifty reverse back inside this zone. So you can simply go long here at the open of 10:45 candle with your stop loss below this swing low, and your target will be first 5-minute candles high. It has easily given you the 1:2 kind of trade. I hope you understood this simple breakout strategy, and if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. And if you want to learn more about such intraday strategies, don't forget to subscribe my channel, as I will be posting similar strategies every week. If you want to learn more about intraday trading, price action and CPR, you can also attend my training on intraday trading, price action and CPR. I have given the link in the description, and thank you for watching.